querying the table in a database using SQL with a row criteria. So we're going to cut the data horizontally, minimize the rows that we want to get out, or filter by the rows that we want to get out. So to do this, the first thing we will do is just connect to our database, or my database, and then tables, and then we will open out a new query. And here we can just, first to test that we've got something coming out, we will just do select all from the table, and then the first main thing that we will do here is also do a minimization of the columns that we want. So if we just bring out the 3 columns here, but that's not the main thing to show today. The main thing to show today is when we put a where clause into this. And when we do that, we filter the data. And here we're filtering by the housing median age is equal to 30. So if we run this, we will only get from the table those that have a 30 in this column. Now that still gives us too much data. We want to perhaps minimize it a bit more, so we can add another criteria, and that is when we add the AND criteria here. We add AND to the where, so we've got where the age is equal to 30 and also the latitude is greater or equal to 38. When we do that, we only get 7 rows coming up. So now we're beginning to minimize it more. And that's with an AND, where we have a combination of 2 criteria, and we can carry on adding more ANDs if we wanted to. But then another thing that we might do is put 2 of these together. So if we were to put this part is the same that we had before, but then we're going to have an OR, and then another set of very similar criteria that will bring in some more rows, where the median age, the housing median age is 40. So we're still sticking with the latitude of 38, but we're adding a few more rows, hopefully, where the age is 40. And when we do that, we get 10 rows. So that is how we cut the data or control the rows of the data that we are pulling out using SQL.